Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.17 Heart Healthy Breakfasts that are low in calories. The article presents a collection of heart-healthy breakfast recipes that are low in saturated fat and sodium. The recipes include creamy orange-mango flaxseed shake, a protein-packed smoothie with yogurt, mango, and mandarin. High-fiber cranberry-orange overnight oats with cranberries, oranges, and chia seeds. Orange peach chia seed smoothie, a smoothie with oranges, peaches, yogurt, and chia seeds. Cinnamon-Pear Overnight Oats with sautéed cinnamon maple pears. Green smoothie, a tropical-flavored smoothie with spinach, banana, mango, and pineapple. Apple cinnamon baked oats, baked oatmeal with apples and cinnamon. Lemon-Poppyseed Overnight Oats with lemon and poppy seeds. Apple-Pomegranate Overnight Oats with apples and pomegranates. Cinnamon roll oatmeal with cinnamon, vanilla, and a yogurt frosting. Grape smoothie, a smoothie with grapes, banana, and yogurt. Air fryer honey granola with banana chips and cherries, homemade granola with dried cherries. Sweet potato, broccoli and wild rice hash, a savory breakfast hash. Overnight match oats with berries, match overnight oats with berries. Cherry smoothie, a cherry pie-inspired smoothie. Egg tartine, an open-faced egg sandwich. Spinach, peanut butter and banana smoothie, a peanut butter banana smoothie with spinach. Baked banana nut oatmeal cups, oatmeal muffins with banana and nuts. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak